Hola amigos, it's Senora Davis and here's your directions for today, December 3rd. Now, this video is now an assignment because nobody has been watching the videos to get instructions, and also no one is coming to the Google Meets to get instructions. So I'm not really sure what a lot of your plans are to do well in this class, but it's clearly not to listen to my directions. So now this is an assignment, and in order to get credit for this assignment, you're going to have to type in the phrase that I tell you at the end to make sure that you've watched this video. The videos are not just something that you should go past. They have incredibly important information. I go through examples on how to do things, and I'm telling you things like stop Google translating everything, which many of you are continuing to ignore. And you are now getting zeros on the entire assignment if you Google Translate one thing. There's no need for Google Translate. There is vocab sheets and grammar notes provided for you for everything that we do. So there's no reason for you to be turning to the internet because I provide everything for you. And if you had been watching my videos, you've heard me say this about 20 times now, and I'm really tired of saying it. So please watch the videos and learn what to do. Let me help you. Let me teach you like I'm supposed to be teaching you, and you're supposed to be learning. So now I'm going to run through what you're supposed to be doing for today, and please do that after you watch this video. So first thing is you have to do your communication assignment. You're just answering how well you're doing with noun adjective agreement. 2 questions. Make sure you click submit at the bottom of the page, the purple submit button right there, and submit assignment in Schoology. If you don't click the purple submit button, then I don't see any of those answers. It doesn't matter if you click submit assignment over here. I don't see anything. You have to fill this part out in order for me to know what's going on with you and for me to count that as communication. The next thing you're going to be doing is more practice with noun adjective agreement. I do have your Música Miércoles in here for you, Tanto by Jesse and Joy and Luis Fonsi. And I also have the link here for you to join live at 8:30 if you're my virtual students, at 1 o'clock if you are my face-to-face students. If you're not going to watch the videos, you need to join the Google Meet link. If you're not understanding what we're doing, you need to join the Google Meet. It is so important that you understand that what we're doing. You Google translating your way through this class isn't working for you. I know that it's not working for you. You know it's not working for you. Join the Meet so you can learn what we're doing if you're confused. Now you have 3 things that you're going to be working on today. One is some practicing with leer, with reading, with this noun adjective agreement assignment. You're going to read through this paragraph, and you have 2 choices, much like what we did on the notes. Are you going to use the masculine or the feminine, or are you going to use the plural or the singular versions for these based on who they're describing? You're going to type in the correct answer in the blank, and it'll show you your responses and your scores at the end. Please make sure that you are checking how well you do on these assignments, and you can complete them a second time for better grade. Make sure you do that. The next thing that you're going to do is play Kahoot, which is practice more with the agreement grammar that we've been talking about. With Kahoot, you're going to type your first name and last initial into this box, and you'll start the game. With Kahoot, though, please know if you don't play all the questions, I don't see that you've done it. So you can't just click submit assignment after answering 2 or 3 questions. You have to do the whole Kahoot. It's just 20 multiple choice questions, and then I'll record that it has been done. And then the last thing that you're going to do for today is the teacher profile. So you're going to be describing some pictures that you see of teachers' Bitmojis and using noun adjective agreement, and just doing some practice with noun adjective agreement in general as well. So again, you have 2 attempts on this. If you don't do well the first time, do it again. You can see what the answers are. Try it again a second time. So first, you're going to do some matching on your forms of ser. All these sentences must have a form of ser. I am, you are, he, she is, we are, or they are. Match those there so you know which ones they are to review for yourselves. Before you get into the describing of people, you're going to do some practice with changing your adjectives to match the different people. So for this first one, you're going to give me the word for nice that describes el chico, la chica, los chicos, and las chicas. So for el chico, we don't have to change anything. It's simpático with an accent on the A. Don't forget your accents. For La Chica, it's not simpático anymore, it's simpática, because she's a girl. For los chicos, we have to make our adjective plural, simpáticos. And for las chicas, we have to make it feminine and plural, simpáticas. So that's what I'm asking for on these questions. I think it's the next 4 of them, número 2, 3, 4, y 5. Give me the forms of this word when you're talking about these 4 people. For this next one, you're going to give me the word for tall as it describes this person. So yes, tall is alto, but alto might not describe this person. You might have to change it to alta, altos, or altas. That's the whole point of noun-adjective agreement. It's not just knowing what these words are, but knowing what the form is to describe the people we're talking about. All right, now this one we're getting into describing people. So I'm giving you the person right here. This one is tú. In the first box, you're going to type the form of ser that goes with tú, and that's eres. And then you're going to describe this person with one of the vocab words from your list using noun-adjective agreement. Now, this person is a female, and it says lazy on it, so we're going to give the feminine form of lazy, which is perezosa. Bien? So, form of ser in the first box, the correct adjective in the right form in the second box. And you'll do that for the next 4 of them. So, form of ser here, the plural form of whatever adjective you want to use on that one. And that will be your last assignment for the day. Now, in order to get credit for this video assignment, you're going to have to click Submit Assignment in Schoology, and then you're going to type in No More Google Translating. When you click Submit Assignment, click Create, then type, instead of the word done, you're going to type No More Google Translating, and that will give you the passing grade for this video assignment. I don't want to make videos assignments. You have enough assignments as it is, but no one's watching the videos, no one's coming to the meets, so this is really what I have to do now. So please watch the videos, come to the Google Meets if you have questions. If you don't have questions, that's totally fine, just do your work, but pay attention to the directions because a lot of you are not doing that either. And please know, if I see any Google Translating on anything from this point out, even if it's one question in one assignment with 50 questions, it's a 0. If it's a quiz, it's a 0. If it's a test, it's a 0. I'm all done with Google Translating. Google Translating isn't learning, it's cheating, and it's inaccurate. I'm all done with it. Last time I'm going to say it, it's just going to be a 0 from now on. I don't want to get tough with you. It's just been a rough time not getting anyone to do any work or watch any directions. So please just start doing what you're supposed to be doing and everything will be fine. If you have questions, let me know. Adios.